and I drink a million namijina. But me also go for the Abbasabidi cost of Jubilee House. The best me uncle. I am responsible for what I'm saying because I see it and I saw it. Yes, sir. The Jubilee House gate in there, that's a Kakrakano. That was the main gate. Yes, sir. You said, then my thing can be one you soon the Kakrakasada. And the Oko a Katano of the Gum Tiseno. Yeah, a big unit. I know both from Kajan said, Trip and Nebus or Yading. Nebus said, what are you doing here? And I was sent from the Himalayas Mountains.
Hello, Bishop for Medenchia Abramunina. I hope Sarah Dadum Obia Hoya. Where the information can claim me person, bro. A prophet Francis Amoako Attah. When you say you know, Unyamedi for Penia, Unyami Ayusuno. Apostle. Now, Oko Angel FM, and ana Oka BB. Now, I some Okano, I'm someone for Bebreno. Asa amafo ebreno omuti asema omunshada entie muye omunshada entie nko actually na we know I want to break it down for all of us na oka insembi say onyame be fa ne honhom anato nyame bi nani e de ne call Jubilee House and I say Flagstaff House na okohu demon ten kakraka bi also ohu bi kurada bag bi say ne call ho book bi ekuta na all measure Jubilee House na ade oka ya na aye strike and say Osena adiebi eguniti te said the turban na like Arabs for no and I me find the kata for ne those people are omo Arabs for no they omo bo omote no say minim say ne mekan obehu ne meka no they ya na omo go omote na omo bo omote no say demon ten kakrakai oye metro man all measure Jubilee House and as a Flagstaff House say die ni bi na egunitire so na all measure Apostle Francis Amoako Attah say obofo no na onene nam no busa ne say o misa sa demon yi say enfa no free ana ade na oyen ana o say o free Himalayas Mountains na ebae na me pese me kire mo Himalayas Mountains senia esi etie enti map ya muhunu ewo hoyi Himalayas Mountain no ene aman bebre na ebohye ene China Afghanistan Pakistan Tajikistan India Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. Chese enisa amamai we mu nyina no ebobohye. It is kind of a stretch of mountains ana ewo na eba ne say na sa demon spirit no na Arab turban ebonitri. China for the menim say Muslims for no so. But Bhutan, Nepal, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, any those kind of stand for no ehona Arabs for no and I say Muslim for no ewo enti eba ne say na ehona demon no efria oba ba measure yen Flagstaff House enti you just think about it say could it ever be say enti se wuti na oye Muslima I don't have anything against you personally I don't know you and you don't know me so I can't have anything against you but think about it say onyame ni petimi hunu demon na Arab the nkramofo de bo muti no eno bi na ebonitia think about it enti no eba ne say na say demon no na eba ba measure we a very coded revelation so you Christiani na utie mia and I say utie sa vision ya man can be binchiro medical can bebre say Christianity and Islam enye the same religion na God of the Bible no Yahweh no enye no the same as the God of Islam but odi make ho asem another time enti owie no na apostle Sunday to us say I was say D4 ni asofofo nyina ye bom pae ma President John Mahama because the problem no free na busuam and I say free baby o free na mom e be free Flagstaff House the Jubilee House e ho na problem ni nyina be free the problem and the challenges obenya e wona memmo mu nyina no e free Jubilee House ho no mti D4 no any asofo no ye mom pae e ma no nti so ye o Christiani a mesrew da bia no ma remfi say ye be bom pae ma President John Mahama because a honum na problem no ebe free aba and also can say gold that Ghana no afi crampo na kese ebeba die to ni nyina no enko hwe ye gold no afi crampo na more no eba beba I think say o kan nemo bebre enti no I am happy say metimi edisa information way abro na mesre say obe subscribe me page ama me na like na drop a comment na share and sumame I know you will do it so I want to thank you in advance thank you very much
and I drink na me gina but me who also go for bia ba se bi cause o Jubilee House the best me uncle I am responsible for what I'm saying because I see it and I saw it. Then what I say?
Yes, sir.
The Jubilee House gate in the desert kakrakano. That was the main gate. Yes, sir. You say them Martin think kakraka be one you son kakraka sada. And the oko a kata no obdigo mtise no.
Yeah.
A big unity. I know both can say trip and nebusan or yeden. Na a young for botany be saying. Now on the sack, no actual, no Bob President Dean, no the shame, no messa, no actual, no Bob President Dean, no the shame, no messa, no actual, no Bob President Dean, no the shame. And I was asking, no, I said, what are you doing here? And I was sent from the Himalayas Mountains to come and measure and do what you're supposed to do here. Now to come on. Nyaka said, come on, one word, and to and he say also I didn't say lightning. I'm not afraid.
Wow.
I am not afraid because this is not your country, and as this is not your country, you don't have the regional power, geographical power to do anything without a permission.
Oh yes. Oh, gateway.
Well, but the gateway, and the country could be or maybe there are gate people, gatekeepers. Thank God I'm one of them.
Oh yes.
Yeah, madam, yeah. Or if them I
yes, sir.
Who man how you mean who ye? Them can what I say, sir. Or if some from the cancer me kwa kwacha me pay me nyame ka cham say nko di fie me boa.
Sure.
Abaso me ko nyame say nko fie. Feel problem ni ho. Mama feel problem ni ho. What was so kwacha na hia no Jubilee House because everything will be activated in the Jubilee House. Them can what I say. Na book we all chira no. Actually hard cover.
Yes, hard cover. Yeah.
Hard cover. And yeah. Tronic the law of karma and the woman no mess and what to do. I'm telling you. Jesus. Oh messa. No children no their shame. No fan no messa. No children no what their shame. I'm sorry, you don't have a geographical authority to do what you're doing. Yes, sir. You can do whatever, but I will not allow you. Say whatever, you can call the tenders. If you don't want the trouble, you stop it. You can come from where, but you are going to stop it.
Yes, sir.
Papa or family for straight to Osu Castle. Now Osu Castle, Aquano or Messano Sana and Kurofo, Esepunimua, or move be something like gas. Up and down. Mr. Vision and Mose, quite the most sipunum.
Wow.
No, but for the Piadiana. They say gas here, Pierban. Who said, we didn't see ya. Ebaba suna wa papa na adiana eden na adiana stop no to we no sit down wani na for wani to all the markets and I'm saying start to go and start from Accra like one star na we you say control all the markets for the nation. No, go and said to the nation, say, this is what has been activated. Yeah, Canada, yeah, they said, oh, no, you would unpipe them. Wow. Are you serious? Yes, sir. Are you serious? Also, Ghana good, you're starting to hear. Wow. Sika, as I saw you, Yabano, I know better. Never know what I say. Yes, Papa. You know better, yeah. And you be and it does so. Yes, sir. And that's so. We move regulating you into the year. Okay. You saw you from here. I'm regulating I into the year. You saw me there. I'm regulating I into the year. But to the year. Go to your whiteness and Bible restore. I'm not yet putting that in as I'm not control. I'm not yet putting down the corner go to Imuma. Then when I say, and again, I did for now, young Fianco to Jungle. Let's protect our Jubilee House. And the man who's going to live there. One thing I know about this man, and so therefore your somebody who is a political ambitious, political ambition. Mama, ne life no any political ambition, a political calling. Okay.
Okay. So the ambition is different from calling.
Yeah. Them can matter. Yeah. That is being called. He have been called.
Honey, a momodia. Naming Kahono. And only oracles of the prophets.
The oracles of the if we should be your president to womb or your money in our president.
Yes, sir.
Will be your president to womb or your money in a nipa. See, when a Nuntina, a DB, a fan, a for money in our house. Or he is the number one citizen. Then he needed to be protected. If he knew that to be any fear, everything will be activated in the Jubilee House. The 4 years will be determined by her. And thank God said it had been stopped and had been stopped. He just disappeared to some phenomenon.
Wow.
Disappear now, you know, free gonna, who would be saying, I'm saying, we both could have down bottle. But anyway, there is a hope. There is hope. There is hope. There is hope. There is hope. It doesn't matter the shaking. It doesn't matter the storm. It doesn't matter the wave. There is hope. But you may be bleaching your pim pam. You may be pim pam dorsum.
Amendment.
A patchy. You may be Missy Nemeberia.
Spiritual apartment.
You may be pim pam or dorsum. Number one suggestion. When I am entitled to my opinion, and I would even watch. I am a Ghanaian. Yeah. To me, one can't check President Mahama said to me, it should be to me, and you persisted, almost a man. Job on the
Bosch and him should also Ghana for her.
And yes, only maybe a Juma Bauka de Mosia, Nipa Bet, and idiot. Into 1 year, crash why.
Your Benyans are full bet.
Anybody actually think call it 20 become one. And I ate it. And then I'm suggesting.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.